Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Samsung Galaxy A54 mobile phone. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the phone, remove the SIM tray, and then begin the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, gently heat the edges to soften the adhesive. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad. Select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till the process completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer to warm the edges. Be careful not to overheat, as this can damage internal components or the back cover. Next, use a suction cup to create a small gap along the edge of the back cover. The ideal place to use the suction cup is at the bottom of the cover. Carefully insert a plastic car pry tool into the gap and slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. This process will take time and be gentle with the internal components. Always use the tip of the tool to free the adhesive. Once the adhesive is free, gently lift and remove the back cover. Next, remove the board cover by undoing 9 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug from the logic board. Next, remove the not working battery from the body. First, disconnect and fold the main flex connector cable. Next, lift the battery using the pull tab. Gently pull from the left side to release it from the frame. If the pull tab breaks, carefully pry under the battery with a plastic pry tool. You may also apply gentle heat to soften the adhesive. Avoid heating if the battery is damaged or swollen. Next, place the new battery with the adhesive. Next, secure the main flex by connecting to the logic board. Next, secure the battery connector. Next, secure the board cover by adding 9 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, secure the rear cover to the body using bonding clips. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.